I swear that it ain't fair that all the pretty girls, they got nothing on you.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Jaelen, and today's video is sponsored by LuvMe Hair. They were kind enough to send me over one of their wigs. So once I opened the box, I got a message from the founder, the wig, and some accessories. So the wig came in this really nice purple bag that's perfect for storage. And then I also got 5 headbands that comes free with your purchase of the wig, and they're all really cute designs. I also got a pack of 2 wig caps, a little pouch of some miscellaneous goodies, and then I got this pamphlet that includes hair care instructions and the return policy. So the wig that I received is the Mixed Color Highlights Bob Headband Wig with the colors 2 and 27. It's 12 inches long, and the texture is silky, so it's super easy to run your fingers through. The cap construction has 4 combs, 1 in the front, 1 on each side, and 1 in the back. There are no adjustable straps in this wig, but there is the Velcro attachment on the headband, which makes it feel really secure on your head. I like how this wig is super easy to install. It's truly a throw on and go type of wig, and the highlights are beautiful. Off camera, I did my edges, so all I had to do was put on the wig. But this wig can be installed in under 5 minutes, which makes it super easy for anyone to switch up their look, or in this case, add instant highlights. All you have to do is put in the combs and attach the Velcro on the headband. To make sure no hair gets caught in the Velcro, I just loosely tied up the hair with one of the headbands. Now I'm combing through the hair to make sure that it's tangle free, which didn't take much at all because of how silky the hair is. And this is how much shedding I received, just a couple blonde strands, which is why I really like the construction of this wig, because I didn't get a lot of shedding at all. This is a 100% virgin human hair wig, so I went in with my flat iron at 410 degrees to straighten it out and get some of the bends out of the hair. And the hair did straighten really nicely, and I was able to bump the ends. since I'm pretty much done styling and straightening this wig, I went ahead and put on this really cute pop of color green headband to finish the look. Alright y'all, so that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm really loving how soft and flowy this hair is from LuvMe Hair. If you're interested, check out the details in my description box. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to see more of me, from me, and all that jazz, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below what other videos you'd like to see me do next, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I make new videos like this. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye y'all.